Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design and welcome back to the another series of Formula Student where I will teach you the secondary template for the cockpit and steering. So cockpit we have already explained cockpit opening template, and now we will go for the steering template, which is given over here, and some rules are have been written, but we will see this rule in a practical way in the chassis. And before that, I will explain you how to draw this template in the CAD. So let's just start with the sketch. So you will have the better idea about how you will draw the template. Okay. So first I will start with the circle, the two circles, and I will give the dimensions. It will be 100 mm in the diameter. This will be also 100 mm in diameter. And I will make the distance of this circle and this circle will be 350. Okay, now you have to make a sketch which is like that, a simple line you have to draw. Okay, we haven't given this circle a diameter. Okay, given 100 mm, so we'll take a side. Okay, this already given. So now you have to give the middle distance, which will be 350, means 350 by 2, and you have to give the chamfer over here, but it should be a 50 mm, so you have to give the 50 mm. Okay, now as you can see, it can move. So what you can do, you can just make this 2 in a vertical, so it is fully defined now. Now you can just make the reference line so that we can cut this circle in half. Done. So my steering template is ready. Now I can mirror the entities and mirror about this line, and I will click it OK. I will extrude for the 10 mm, and for the rest of the area, like this 50 by 50, you can just make the split line, or you can make it transparent so that when you pass the template you will know, or you can make a cut over here. Okay, half cut, so you have the better picture. Now what we will do, we have modeled this. Now we will see in the CAD where it stands. So we will find first the template. As you can see, it start from the non-operative positioning of the pedals. Okay, non-operative position, you remember first, and in from the front of the plane you have to draw this template, which can pass through from here, okay, till the main hook. It should pass from here, right, all the way, and it should not stuck anywhere by the member, by the steering column. It should not stop. Okay, I know steering column will be in between, so you have to make a cut and you have to rotate the template, and then you should uh, take out the template. Okay, so as you can see, the sketch has been already there. Okay, so you have to sketch it, or you can simply make an extrude. Okay, I will make an extrude, just a minute. Okay, this driver in cockpit template. I think there is some plane over here, or I have to make. This is the top plane. Okay, I'm taking it for reference only. Don't. I will get the sketch, and from the upper side, I will take this inner cockpit template as a convert entity and make it extrude. As you can see, my template is passing through. If it is touching anywhere, okay, it is touching anywhere. So what you can do, you can just redesign the template, okay, and see where my part is getting stuck. Okay, like that. So this is the basic fundamental. You can just create a extrude command, and you can see what is coming in between. So after that, you can design your car, and there are many cockpit template have been designed over here. Cockpit template 1, and then offset is here. which is showing the extra area, okay, so that extra clearance is there in the offset command. So that's how you can pass your steering template. So in the assembly, if we make an full assembly of the car, then we will show how to pass the template, or in the actual real time we will show how to pass the template. Okay, so you will have the better idea. So for now in the CAD, this is how you can perform the cockpit rule, this two cockpit rule. And yeah, that's all for the video. And if you have any doubt, you can just pin in the comments. And if you like the video, if you learn from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and share it to your colleagues, so that we will have the better reach and better confidence to make another video which will be more informative and more detailed videos about the formula student. Okay, so it will give the motivation. So yeah, thank you for learning, and keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you. See you in the next video.